Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. So in this video, I wanted to talk about move-to-earn coins and how to get in on an IDO via Enjinstarter. So right now there is an IDO going on with these guys, Get Kicks, which is another move-to-earn, and they are about to launch. They're doing an IDO as we speak on Enjinstarter. Which you can see here. They've got a fair few projects that they are releasing. So to me, it's worth staking some of their native token to get in on these IDOs. So having said that, with Get Kicks, it's taking place right now, so it's obviously too late to get in on this particular one. But for any future projects, you will need to have their native token staked in order to participate. So with this one, I got in a couple of days ago, but that was too late. You need to be staking for at least 3 days. So you can see here, like, I'm actually staking it, but when I connect my wallet, then it says that my address is not whitelisted because they take a snapshot of your address before the IDO, and you need to have been staking for at least 3 days in order to get in. So I'm a bit bummed about that, but never mind. I'll show you how you can get in. So first of all, you have to buy their coin, the Enjinstarter coin. And to do that, I reckon the best way to do it is to go to the smart chain and buy it on there. So you can do it through PancakeSwap. So what you do is basically, this is the address, you just copy it here, and then you bring up PancakeSwap and you paste that address up here. If it's going to let me. It didn't let me copy that, so I'll copy it again. So you paste it up here. So I already added that coin, and basically that's how you buy it, through here. You swap anything you have in here to that coin there, and then when you have that coin, you have to stake it. So what's really cool is then you go to staking at enjinstarter.com and you go to staking, and as you can see, I'm in an active campaign at the moment. I've been staking for a couple of days. So I did make the first mistake initially to do liquidity mining. That's not what you're meant to be doing. You're meant to be doing staking. So you go to staking, active campaigns, and then the one I got in, this is the active campaign at the moment. This is 11.55 APY, but the one I'm in, I got in was 30% APY. So the other ones are all filled up. Excuse the slowness. What's going on? It's so slow. So you can see the other ones are all full. It all says full, full, full. So the only one open now is, they must have reduced it then, because when I got in it was 30% APY. So basically, when you've got the tokens in your wallet, so when you bought them on the Binance Smart Chain and connected your MetaMask, then you connect it to this site and then you stake it through here. So mine is already staking, so you can see I've earned a little bit of money there, but yeah, I only put $100 in because they only require the minimum of 25,000 EGS coins. You can read, I'll put a link to their article here so you can read more about it, but the minimum requirement is 25,000 EGS coins. Now there's a difference between EGS and WEGS. So the one I bought was the wrapped Enjinstarter coin, which I recommend over the EGS because they were saying it's less fees if you buy wrapped EGS coins. So that's what I got through PancakeSwap. I've staked it here on this DeFi terminal, and so I'm basically ready to go for their future projects. But yeah, bummed about this one that I can't get in. But what I will be looking at doing is I'm in their, community groups, and I'll be looking at buying one of their NFTs on launch so I can get in and start earning money for walking or running or whatever. But there's so many good ones out there. There's Steppen. I was looking at Steppen getting back in that one. Or getting the green Satoshi token for it, because that's, looking like it's coming back. But again, this is not financial advice. I'm just looking at what's actually, working at the moment, and the move to earn phenomenon is going well. So, Steppen might have crashed, but, if we look at Steppen, the coin, it is in a good buy zone. Anyway, if it's, crashed, now is a good time to get Steppen and buy an NFT, because they're cheap. Like, you would have had to have paid $1,000 back in the day, for an NFT, but now you can get it for a lot cheaper. And I was looking at getting it on Magic Eden, where they're selling them. So, currently wanting to bid on one of their sneakers, thinking of getting in. Otherwise, what I might do, yeah, you can see I made a bid. So what I might do is, I'm probably not going to get in Steppen. What I'll do is I want to get in this new Get Kicks game and get a NFT in that and get into that, because you want to get in on the early days, and then you can always sell out when it peaks, because who knows. But yeah, this one might be good to get in now anyway. Could be turning around. So I'm watching this one closely, and then, it looks like it's, peaking and then bottoming and peaking and bottoming, but it's still in a clear downtrend. So I'm not 100% sure about getting in at this point till I see a really clear reversal. So yeah, having said that, I'm just take you to the charts, because we're down at the moment everywhere. Everything is down, and it's at a really critical stage here. I've got this, support line here. This is a very, very strong support line, and it keeps on, hitting it. And so I'm just waiting to see if it holds, because it should, it either holds and it comes back up, or it's going to bust down and break down further, in which case with Bitcoin the next stop is the next top, which is 20 grand. You can see the previous level here, which the Fibonacci at level is at, I moved it. So you can see the previous one is at that level here, which it did peak down and touch, and then the next one is here. The way I do the Fibonacci is I put it on like that. So there we go. You can see the next level is 20,000. So we'll see if it either breaks down more before it turns around, or it's either going to break down more before it turns around, or turn around a little bit and then turn around again, break down more. Who knows? I did say on Twitter that, we could be going down and down more for a few more months, and then the bottom will be in November, December this year for Bitcoin. So yeah, we will see. And at the moment, it's also forming a huge, bullish wedge on the RSI. So I'm just watching closely, because I think it might still go up, bounce, come down one more time, and then turn around when this really, turns into a point here, the triangle. and then it will come out and bust out. And usually when that happens, it's a very explosive move up. So we could be seeing this downward move going for a bit longer until November, December before it busts through, or else it would be turning around shortly. But yeah, somehow I don't see that happening. So yeah, still bearish for a while, because based on the US 100 index, I still think that has a lot more way to go, down to at least 61.8. If not, I did do a Twitter post saying potentially could be a lot worse. It could be a big crash down to 70%, like from top to here. So the previous bottom would be about 5,000. So it could crash all the way down, that far. Could be an almighty crash, or if not, this support here could hold and then turn around. But yeah, I mean, I guess we have to prepare for the worst. If it does crash all the way to 70%, then Bitcoin's going to follow. In which case, people I know have been saying it's going to go below more than 20 grand. So who knows? It is correlated to the NDQ. So it depends on how far that crashes, how far Bitcoin crashes. But I dare say, it won't go lower than 20 if it does continue to go lower. But anyhow, that is all for today. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to, please support me on Patreon. I do have 3 different options where you can either buy me a coffee once a month for my content, or you can subscribe VIP level or black VIP level, which gives you access to me and to my chat group. You can have one-on-one time with me, and you get some, merch. Yeah, it's really good. And you get access to my DeFi course, which explains exactly how to do everything. If you have any questions, it's all in video format. I've done like videos so you can understand how to set things up and do everything. Instead of spending hours and hours and frustration not knowing what to do, I've got it all in a course. So do check out my Patreon, and thank you for watching.